The High-Definition Multimedia Interface, and the HDMI, has revolutionized multimedia connectivity, simplifying the way we link devices for high-quality audio and video. Yeah, this tutorial explores the uses, functionality, and practical applications of HDMI, emphasizing its importance in modern technology. HDMI is a standard that transmits high-definition video and audio from compliant devices, such as TVs, projectors, computers, gaming consoles, and smartphones, through a single cable, eliminating the clutter of multiple connections. By sending a digital signal, HDMI ensures superior quality compared to older analog systems, making it essential for home theaters, presentations, and enjoying movies on larger screens. As technology continues to advance, understanding HDMI's capabilities is crucial for optimizing multimedia experiences. By the end of this tutorial, readers will gain a comprehensive understanding of HDMI technology, its features, and how to effectively incorporate it into their daily lives.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.